This comes from another Italian artist. His name is Andrea, also known as Shkedul. Shkedul is an artist from Cortina, active not only in Cortina but also in Milan and played internationally, released like tons of good records, and this one was released earlier this year, and it's part of another project that I really enjoyed. And this specific track that I'm going to play for you in just about a minute is named Mind Control. I'm going to play it right at this point because it gives you an idea of how it propels you into a different universe. I really like Andres' production, and this one is another one to add to the collection if you haven't heard of him before. Here comes Shkedul. Enjoy it all in. I'm gonna share the label in a minute, so then you can take a screenshot if you want to find out more about his projects.
Manipulation. Mind control. Mind control. The concept of mind control has fascinated and frightened minds for decades. Manipulation. Mind control. Mind control. Manipulation. This term evokes images of psychological manipulation of individuals having the power to influence and direct the minds of others at their whim. Mind control. Mind control. Manipulation. Mind control. Fascinated and frightened minds for decades. Manipulation. Mind control. Mind control. Manipulation. This term evokes images of psychological manipulation of individuals having the power to influence and direct the minds of others at their whim. Mind control. Mind control. Manipulation. Mind control.
Shkedul, Mind Control, what a bomb, what a bomb. Actually, this one is a record that was released on Unearthed Records, a label and party event based in Austin, Texas. Yeah, apparently this is the first vinyl release, Werva 002, compilation featuring emerging talents from Italy and Argentina. Check them out. I really enjoyed this release. Also, the other tracks on the record, and I'm gonna share it with you so you can have a look at it and grab a screenshot if you like. So want to add to your bag. Incredibly versatile record. Definitely something that you're not gonna get tired of playing anytime soon.